Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your name on Facebook account. So guys, let's get start the video. First of all, open your Facebook app and then click on the three lines on the top right corner. After that, click on Setting and Privacy and then click on Setting. After that, click on Meta Account Center and then click on Profiles. Here your Facebook account will appear. So select the Facebook account to which you want to change your name on Facebook. As I want to change Asad Ali, so click on this and then click on name. After that, write here the name that you want to select, and write here last name. Before changing the name, keep in mind once you change your name on Facebook, you cannot change it again for 60 days. So, review change and then it will give you two different options. So, I select first one and then click on Save Changes. So guys, you can see our name on Facebook has been changed. So guys, in this way, you can change your name on Facebook profile account. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.